In Creo 13, you can now apply a preload to existing 3D geometry. So whether you have bolts from a company library, from Creo's intelligent fastener library, or just some 3D geometry that represents a bolt in your assembly, you can now apply a clamping load to this geometry. This brings more capability to our previous release of Creo, where you can apply preload to idealize bolts. Here on the screen we have a simple manifold held on by 12 bolts that are represented by some bolt geometry. After entering Creo ANSYS, I can apply preload by selecting this from the load section of the ribbon. I then choose fastener surface as the type, pick the surface, choose my definition method, and enter a value. This assembly only has the clamping loads holding it together with some frictional contacts. I can now see the results of this simulation. I can see the sliding distances, displacement, and stresses from the clamping loads, in addition to any other result that I'm interested in. This capability provides Creo ANSYS users with a powerful method to get realistic results with 3D fasteners and preload in their simulations.